Later today, we get the latest central bank decision from the Bank of England. As things stand, the BOE is widely expected to raise rates by 50 basis points to 1.75%. If the BOE follows through, the 50 basis point hike will be the largest move for the central bank since 1995 and take the rate back to its highest level since the financial markets crisis of 2008. If we look at the numbers, the market is pricing an 82% chance of this 50 basis point hike, leaving only an 18% chance for a smaller 25 basis point hike. So, assuming we do get that hike, the critical focus will then be on the actual tone of the accompanying communication from the BOE, and we'll see how that plays out. If recent decisions from the RBA and Fed are any indication, we could see the 50 basis point hike accompanied by a dovish tone at the same time. If inflation data and post FOMC Fed speak have any influence, the BOE could tilt more to the hawkish side. Inflation in the UK now sits at a 40-year high, and the BOE is committed to doing what's necessary to cool inflation, even at the risk of economic slowdown or recession. This, of course, because the BOE believes there are more distressing risks to the economy if inflation continues to rocket higher. One thing to take a look at will be the breakdown of the voting amongst the BOE members to see just how much of a shift we get one way or the other. Ultimately, beyond what looks to be a near certain outcome of 50 basis points, it really is hard to get a handle on what type of communication we will get from the BOE, and whichever way this communication leans will be what determines which way the pound goes in the immediate aftermath. Technically speaking, we do believe the pound should continue to hold up well above 120 against the buck on a monthly close basis, with the greater risk pointing to the next move being considerably higher rather than lower. With that said, if we do get a dip on a perceived dovish communication, we suspect that dip will be well supported once again down into the 120 area. That's all for now.